Hungarian diplomat Csaba Korósi, the newly elected president of the upcoming 77th session of the UN General Assembly, has said that the Ukraine conflict is adding new dimensions to global challenges. He pointed out Tuesday at a General Assembly plenary session that continued reforms and transformation of the UN and strengthened cooperation is the only way out.
The geopolitical risks and those stemming from the unsustainable way of our development have started to merge and reinforce each other. Together with the war in Ukraine and other armed conflicts elsewhere, they create a perfect storm and unprecedented instability for the years to come. Therefore, we should seek integrated solutions to the systemic challenges. There is no way back to the old normal. The only way out of the current predicament is through continued reforms and transformation of this organization and strengthening our cooperation. We must do much better on delivering on our jointly agreed goals, commitments, and pledges.
Earlier on, the Ukraine Foreign News Agency reported that Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said on Monday that he is not holding talks with third parties over a peace plan to end the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Zelensky said that the international community is having growing fatigue over the conflict, and that some countries are trying to convince Ukraine to make unfavorable concessions. On the same day, the Russian Foreign Ministry announced that an additional 61 U.S. citizens have been barred from entering Russia in response to the sanctions repeatedly imposed by Washington.